War day number 994. 994 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed. Next week, more than 1,000 days in war. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 13th, 2024. We had 3 regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles remain. The binary and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper, daily newspaper, an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, but 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with these 2 regular puzzle, and the puzzle I will do, the 4-star Sudoku, will be number 9582. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. Well, usually the 4 stars has 24. This one has 25. Should be at 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But for it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars or 3 stars? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square, could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, no, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1. Well, 1 will be difficult. 7 in first row, 7 in second row, from third row. The only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place level 7 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 8 should be there. 3, need a 5 here, need a 3 here, need a 6 here. Well, 6. Let me think. 4 in this column, 4 in column next. So last column, the only place level 4 should be there. 5, 6, 9. 9. Need a 9 here. 5, 6, 9. 4. Right. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need 6 here. I'm thinking. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. Need a 6, 2. Need 2 there. 2 here. 2 there. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Yeah. In this big square, we need a 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 2 in the last column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then, let me see. Need a 9 here. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. Need 8 here. 5. 7. Need a 1. Come on. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers are 4. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in that row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or there in the first column. Here or there, we see another 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between the only place level 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only two places level 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 4. Need a 7 here. Need a 6 here or there. Need a 6 here or there. 6, 9, and a 2. 2. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the only place level 2 should be there. 6, okay. Mark those 2 boxes elevated 2. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. No 2 here. 2, 2. Well. 6. Come on. Need a 6 there. Need an 8 here. 2. Need a 1 here or there. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1. Come on. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. I'm stuck here. 3. Only 1 3. 3, 3. Need a 3 here. No 3 here. Yeah. 1, 8. Well, in this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 3, and 8. We have 1, 3, and 8 in this row. No 1, 3, and 8 in these 3 boxes. 1, 3, and 8 goes in those 3 boxes. We have 1 here, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. The 3 and the 8 could be everywhere. Hey. So the other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing. 8 and then 9 is missing. 5, 7, 9. 8 minutes already passed. Yeah, 8 minutes already passed. Let me see. Yeah, need a 6. Need a 6 there. 6, 6, 6. Need a 6. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this last row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in this third column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between the only place level 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Okay. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. 9, 9, need a 9 there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. Numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only place level 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 6 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there, so the other 2 should be the 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes and there. 1 1 1 1, okay. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 7 and 5. Let me mark those. These 3 numbers should be the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. We have a 1 here in the first column, no 1 there, 1 could be here, could be there. 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 1, 6, 9. Could be everywhere, the 9. So the 6 and the 9 are left here. 6 and the 9, okay. Here 2 numbers left in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8, the 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. No. Well. 3. Need a 3 there. About a 6, 6, 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Come on, come on, come on. Need an 8 here. And I need an 8 here. About here, the 8. 8, 8. 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 4, 6. Come on, come on, come on. Need a 5 here. 5, 5. 5, 5, 7. 9. 9, 9, 9. 9. 9. Come on, come on. Need a 2 here. 2 here, okay. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5 here or there. I need a 5, come on. 2 numbers, no, 3 missing numbers. 1, 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 3, 3, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. And the 9 is missing. 3. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9, no. Hmm. 9 and a 6, 9 and a 6. Yeah. Do we have all the 7s? No. Need a 7 here. In this big square we need a 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. This box should be a 5. Well. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the second column, so the first column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 in the third row, no 5 there. The only place left for 5 it should be there. I need a 5 here or there. I need a 5 here or there. 9 and a 6, okay. How about the 7? 7, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. 6, 7. Need a 8. Come on, come on. 5 and 8. Come on. How about the 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left 1 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes with 1. We have 1 now in this second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 9. Okay. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 279, 8, 7, 6. 4. Need a 2 here. into 6 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, yeah, give me 9. Come on, 9, need a 9 there, 9, need a 9 there, 9, 9, need a 9 here, 1, 2, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, no 3, thinking, 9, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 2, 4, 1, need a 5, 5, 5, need an 8, 8 should be here, 8 should be here, 8 should be here. In this big square we need an 8, yeah. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, first column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row, so the row between second row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, 8 should be there. Then we have all the 8s, and all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 8. Okay, and now 1, 2, 3. We need a 5 in this column. Well, these 2 boxes can be 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 5 in this column should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2, 9, 2, 9. We have a 9 in the third one. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Then 3 and 6, yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 6, we have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 9 or 6, we have a 6 now, so this box should be a 9. 9 or 6 in the first column, we have a 9 now, so this box should be a 6. 1 box left now in this big square for number 9. Here we have 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 9. Need to wait. 7 and a 9. Need to wait. How about this box in this row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 box left now in this column for number third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. 7 or 9, we have a 9 now, so this box should be a 7. 7 or 9, we have a 7 now, so this box should be a 9. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level 3 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. Well, 18 minutes, not faster than 15. Let me give this a 2 stars. We solve it again. Another 4, another 3. Should be a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.